Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome back to English class. In today's video, Mr. Richard is going to explain to you about how to answer questions on live worksheet. So after you get the link in your Google Classroom, you need to click the link, and then it will bring you to this page, and the page is going to be like this. There are two types of questions, and actually there are some kind of questions that you can do on a live worksheet, but today Mr. Richard is going to explain to you on the two of them. So the first one, or the first question is matching, and all you have to do is just put the cursor right to the picture, and then like make a line to the right pair. So for example, school, here I need to find the right transportation for the students to go to school, for example. So this one, and the next one, for example, what's this? I think this one is police station. So we need to find the right transportation to the police station. So this is just the examples. Maybe in the next worksheet you're gonna have different questions or different things to match. All right. So the next one, or the next type of questions is actually writing. All you have to do is read the instruction very well, and then click right on the box in the questions, and then after you click on the box or on the column, you need to like write the answers. For example, there is a park in my town. So that is how you answer the questions. Simple. Just click right on the blank space right here, and then complete the questions. Okay, and after you finish all the questions, all you have to do is click this button, and then there are two options here: check my answers and send my answers to my teachers. So all you have to do is send, send your answers or email your answers to Mr. Richard. So Mr. Richard will see your answers. So you need to put your full name right here, and then your level or your grade, and the subject, and also the email. So you need to put Mr. Richard's email right here, and then after that you need to send it to Mr. Richard. Okay, I think that is all the things you need to know about how to answer the questions on live worksheet. Hopefully you can do your worksheet very well, and then you can get the best score. Alright, thank you so much, and Mr. Richard will see you in the next class.